Over in Seagoville, Texas today, in the East Dallas suburb that's only about 20 miles east of Dallas. And if you're home shopping in DFW but don't want to pay premium prices, then Seagoville is offering you much more affordable homes than you can expect throughout the rest of DFW. And today I'm taking you through a tour of my latest listing in Seagoville, Texas. It's priced to sell and ready for its next homeowner. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Mike Harrison, your local realtor here in North Texas. And I've helped many clients buy and sell all over North Texas. If you want to know what it's like to work, live, and play in the Dallas Metroplex, go ahead and hit subscribe, support the channel, and stay tuned for videos every Sunday and Thursday. To kick us off, let's go and dive into a quick overview of Seagoville. Seagoville is located in Kaufman County and has a population of around 20,000 people. It's located along Highway 175 and is about 10 miles east of Mesquite. It has a total area of 19 square miles and is located approximately 24 miles away from American Airlines Center for Dallas Mavericks and Dallas Stars games, 37 miles away from AT&T Stadium and Globe Life Field for Dallas Cowboys and Texas Rangers games, as well as some of the biggest concerts every year, 37 miles away from Six Flags and Hurricane Harbor Water Park. And if you need to travel internationally, you are only 39 miles away from the DFW International Airport. In 2023, there were 163 homes sold in Seagoville, with a low of $75,000 and a high of $660,000, with a median sales price of $290,000 according to the raw data in the MLS. Now that we've gone through a quick overview of Seagoville, let's go ahead and check out this latest home tour. This home is located in the highly sought-after Seagoville Farms community that offers an on-site elementary school, and this home provides one of the biggest corner lots in the whole community. The sellers have completely repainted the interior, taking the carpet out and stained the floors for the homeowner that may have kids or dogs and don't want to be constantly cleaning the floors. I don't know about y'all, but my dog Rocky sheds so bad every day.
You shed a lot. You make a mess inside.
He looks a little angry. Got freaking dog hair in my mouth now. And the floor plan is a local homeowner favorite, the Reed plan. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully loaded kitchen with granite countertops, upgraded ceiling fans, and smart programmable thermostat and sensors throughout the home, and approximately 1,800 square feet of living space. My favorite feature of this listing is the large corner lot. Both as a realtor and homeowner myself, you'll find that corner lots are typically larger and have a better resale value. And make sure you stay until after the home tour, as we'll be breaking down the hypothetical monthly payment if you came in at the asking price of $325,000. Let's go ahead and have a look inside. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the home tour. Let's go take a look at this hypothetical monthly payment. You've heard me say this before. Full disclosure, I am a realtor, not a certified loan officer. This is just using some basic napkin math with online calculators and the most up-to-date current interest rates. At the time of making this video, rates are hovering around 6.6%. If you were to make a conventional offer at an asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $16,250 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 6.8%. This brings our principal and interest payments to $2,017. Taxes in 2023 had around a 2.2% tax rate for the year, so let's estimate about $7,475 in annual taxes, bringing us to an estimate of $602 a month. Again, this could be higher or lower depending on your tax value in 2024. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $254 a month. Again, this is another variable that can go up or down depending on your insurance agent. And since we aren't putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $225 a month as well. There's an HOA fee of only $28 a month, so we're looking at a monthly payment estimate of about $31.26 a month. If you put 20% down, that would bring us to a $65,000 down payment, and it brings your principal and interest down to $1,698 and knocks off your mortgage insurance. That makes your monthly payment about $25.82 a month. Again, these are ballpark estimates, just using some online calculators. I'm not a certified loan officer. I just sells the houses. So guys, this is going to close us out on our latest house tour in Seagoville, Texas. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you have any questions about this home or any other home in North Texas that you want to take a look at, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is pinned to the top comment below. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And lastly, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, check out this video by clicking here.